Hi everyone, my name is Krishna. Did you guys notice recently we are going through a major change in mobiles? Like people are asking for a more and more battery power. Like some people wants 5000 mAh, some wants even 6000 mAh, right? And providing that 5000 or 6000 mAh is kind of a big deal, right? And then we have phones like Pixel 4a, where some phones are recalled by Google because of the battery issue. And all those phones used to have lithium ion batteries in them. That's right, lithium ion batteries. But if you guys have heard, these batteries are getting replaced by silicon batteries now. That's right, silicon carbon batteries. Some flagship phones or some new phones, they are using silicon carbon batteries instead of traditional lithium ion batteries that we are using for a long time. They are well tested and it is properly doing its job, but still we see that there's a major change that going on and might be in future we will see silicon carbon batteries more. But did you guys notice there was a time when we used to see that some phones are getting burst, like they're catching fire when they were on charge, right? Still, I have this Pixel 4 and my phone heats up so much. Sometimes I feel like maybe it will catch fire, right? So likewise, if lithium ion batteries are that dangerous, how dangerous silicon carbon batteries could be? See, the major pro about silicon batteries is silicon carbon batteries is they can store more energy in less space. Like see, if a lithium ion battery is this, if you are considering 5000 mAh battery, if it is this big, then silicon carbon battery could be this, right? I'm just telling you the approximate comparison. And silicon carbon battery can still have more mAh, right? It could be 5500 mAh and this could be still 4000 mAh. Silicon carbon batteries gives more energy, it can save more energy in less space. In simple or in layman language, we can say that. So, if we'll talk about the benefit, the major benefit is its higher energy density. It can store more energy. And so, in future, if you want to make phones that are foldable, we want to make phones that should be slim, but it also have a good battery backup, a more higher energy density, then silicon carbon battery is a good thing to do, right? And not lithium ion battery. But lithium ion batteries are tested for a very long time, so we can rely on them. Silicon carbon batteries, I don't think we can rely on them right now because they are not well tested. So, if I'm getting a phone that has a silicon carbon battery, am I ready to buy it? And if I buy it, the battery degradation is so big. I mean, in comparison to lithium ion batteries, which degrade slowly, silicon carbon batteries degrade very fast. So, there's a possibility if you buy a phone that has a silicon carbon battery, you might need to replace your battery in 2 to 3 years. So, these are some major changes that's happening nowadays. And I thought I should talk about the silicon carbon batteries and lithium ion batteries. What do you think, guys? This major change will impact our user experience? Write on the comment box.